my viewers, and welcome back to my channel. It is very lovely having you back here, and I'm really happy, blessed, fortunate, pleased to have you all amongst us. Have you all a part of my life, and I thank all my spirits, spirit guides, angels, power animals to have been bestowed with this gift so that I can share it with you all. And let's move forward. In this video, I'm talking about a particular sign. This is not a specific time period reading, this is a specific sign reading. And in this reading, I'll be talking about Cancerians, the first water sign of zodiac. Cancerians, which is also called Kark Rashi in Hindi. Cancerians are water babies. Generally, you will find, Cancerians very cute and very beautiful looking people. And in this reading, please don't be confused. Whatever your sun, moon, Venus, ascending sign, any sign, please consider this reading for Cancer. Don't be confused. Okay, but I'll be doing a separate video with respect to this also, which will sort out all your queries, all your confusion. I'll be doing that very soon. And apart from that, if this reading resonates with you, please do not forget to write it in the comment section. Please tell me, and I'll be really happy to hear from you. Any suggestions or queries you further want, please feel free to contact me. I am also open to take one-to-one readings. All my, email, Facebook and Instagram, everything is given in the description box below. I'll be happy to reach out to you. Come on, now let's start. My Cancerians. How are you all doing? Hope you are having a lovely time. Hope the weather is good there, in whichever place you're watching this. My heartfelt best wishes to you all. Cancer, 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 Cancer. Okay. Let's see. Oh my God, very nice card you have. You are working in the right direction and you are moving in the good direction. So don't you worry about it, my Cancerians. Whatever blueprint or whatever the program you have in mind, I'll go this way, I'll go, then I'll take a left, then I'll go right, then I'll go front. It is very good. It is as per your energy. It is as per the universal energy. And you know what I usually say to everyone, what human mind conceives, it achieves. So you are in the right direction. Don't you worry about it. The only problem which I see, which you will be facing, or the obstacles are or is certain female energy in your life which is going to stop you from fulfilling your dreams, from reaching your goals. But that is also, out of compassion, out of love. So you need to see to it how you are going to make or incorporate that female energy also in fulfilling the dream of yours. You have to work your way out through it. You have to work your way around it so that you can make use of this female energy and make use of this yin energy. And it is going to be very fruitful. I have a jumper card for you. Okay, my Cancerians. I'll show it to you. This will give you the overall reading of the... Okay, let's see. This is the Eon card. Very positive card. Very lucky card. This depicts whatever you want to do. Don't stop. Don't stop at all. Whatever you are doing, whatever things you have in mind, whatever the life you think you want, whatever life you have set, whatever agenda you have, just don't stop. This card, it promises everything for you. This card, which was just waiting for you the moment I said the obstacles and challenges and it jumped out, it is saying to you, don't stop. Don't let anybody stop. Don't let the obstacles stop you. Don't let the hurdles stop you. You are on your way up. and definitely this card is going to help you in working your way around the things. You need to work it out, okay? And don't you worry about that. Your core strength and your focus areas. Okay, your core strengths on your focus areas are you already have a very, very creative mind. So there is no need for that, for worrying. All your past, all your worries that has always gone. The lowest part of your life, it has already gone behind you. So don't you worry about it. It's already past. And whatever is gone is gone. You don't overthink about it. What you are doing is you are giving energy to your past. Don't do that. Stop doing it, because whatever human mind, we humans, we are so capable of manifesting our dreams. We are so capable of manifesting our goals, that to whatever thing we give our energy to, it tries coming into shape into our existence. So stop giving energy to your bad past. Stop giving energy to whatever has been spoiled. It's gone, it's gone. Do not give it your energy. Just stop thinking about it. Instead, give your energy to your future. And your future, I can see, is very bright. It's full of creativity and prosperity. You have to shift your focus of energy from your past to your present. You are giving a lot of energy to your past. Stop doing that. You have to stop living in your past. You have to come out of it. And that is the only way you can fulfill your dreams, and you are on your prosperous road ahead. Now moving further, let me see. Okay, see, again the same cards have come. You are going to get lot of help, there is lot of help available to you. Networking is available to you. You already have the core knowledge. You have the resources. Stop giving energy to your past. Shift your focus to the present. Shift it to future. Your work, your agenda, everything is on mark. Whatever you want, you will achieve, and don't you worry about it. And I also see someone special coming in your life very soon. And that person, if you are a girl, for I shouldn't be biased, that special person, it may be anyone in your life, is going to be of full help to you. He or she is going to be compassionate to you. He or she is going to be a very, very strong support to you. So look after it. And so this also means be open to friendships, be open to new unions, be open to new relations, and accept any person, new people, new work, new jobs with open hearts. Okay, don't say if and buts about anything. And your dream is going to come true. Stay focused, stay sharp. God bless. Thank you. Now wait for my next videos to come up.